Welcome to Tutorial 01 of our series on Boolean algebra. Today, we delve into the foundational tool of truth tables. We are going to learn how to construct a truth table. First step is to determine the variables in the given expression. For an example, let's consider the expression a, or b, the example 1 here. It has just two variables. Likewise, if we consider the example 3, it has only 3 unique variables. This is the variable count that we need when constructing the truth table. Next step is to construct the truth table. Here we need to consider the variable count to get the number of row count. By using the equation n to the power of 2, we can determine the row count. For an example, let's consider an expression with 2 variables, so there should be 4 rows in the table. Then, we can fill the input columns with all possible combinations. There is a simple trick that we could be using to fill this input columns. We can start it from the rightmost input column in the table and fill it in a pattern. First column will be repeating 0, 1 until end. Next column will be 2 zeros, and then 2 ones repeat until the end. If we have 3 inputs, we can continue the pattern. The next column will be 4 zeros and then 4 ones. Finally, we can simply evaluate each combination and determine the output. Here, for the expression a or b, the output will be 1 if any of the input is 1, otherwise 0. This concludes the construction of the truth table for a simple expression. Let's try another example. Here, we are going to evaluate the output for the expression not a or b. But here, evaluating the expression directly could be challenging, so we can introduce a new intermediate column. Using an intermediate column, we can break down a complex expression into steps. You can use any number of intermediate columns to help your evaluation. Here, let's use a column for a or b. Then, we can just apply negation, the NOT gate to the result from a or b, to get the final answer. If you want to generate truth tables instantly or verify your truth table answer, you can use the BooleanTT app. It is an all-in-one app that have tons of features that you need to do your Boolean algebra calculations. It's available on both web and Android platform. Just check it out at BooleanTT.com. Let's see an example of generating truth table using the BooleanTT Android app. You can just enter the expression and if any intermediate expressions using the extra button. Then, tap Simplify. You will get the truth table instantly. Same as in web version, you can construct truth tables for Boolean expressions easily. Try it today. Enter additional expressions to add intermediate columns. Type it and press Enter to add it and click Generate Table button to generate the table. Stay tuned for more advanced topics in our journey through Boolean algebra. Thank you for joining us.